Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a traditional hexagon. It is cluster hexagon. So we have clusters inside and it comes under the convertible crochet also. Till this it is in the form of a circular motif, and then in this round it gets converted into a hexagon. So let us go into the video without much further delay. Make a magic ring, secure it. Oh my god. Now in this ring we are going to place 3 DCs together cluster, chain 3 DCs together cluster. So we need to place 6 of them. So let us make the first incomplete double, or you can chain 3 and begin. Second incomplete double, third incomplete double, and complete it. So the first cluster is done. Chain 3 doubles together again. So 6 we need, 6 of them. Place chain 3 DC cluster 5 more times. I shall also complete and get back to you. So I shall demonstrate just one. So from next onwards it is 3 incomplete doubles and then complete it. So here we have done the second cluster, chain 3. So continue with the cluster. Totally we need 6 cluster, place 6 3 DC cluster and 6 chain 3 spaces. I have 6 clusters. Now instead of chain 3 and slip stitching, make chain 1 and a half double crochet on the cluster, on the first cluster. Now you may chain 3 or make a incomplete double crochet and 2 incomplete double crochets in the chain space. And complete. This is the first cluster made in this chain. In the chain 3 space, chain 3. In every chain 3 space, place a 3 DC cluster, chain 3 DC cluster. Then to go over to the next chain 3 space, chain 3 and go over. So let us make one. So first cluster is done. Chain 3, another cluster in the same chain 3 space, and complete. Now chain 3 and go to the next chain 3 space, and again continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall complete my last cluster here and get back. Come on, I have completed the round. I have placed my last cluster in the very first chain 3 that we started with. Now chain 1 and half double crochet in the first cluster. Now in this cluster we are going to place only one 3 DC cluster. So to begin, incomplete double crochet or chain 3 and begin with 2 incomplete double crochets. The second one and the third one. Now chain 3, here we'll place 3 DC cluster, chain 3 DC cluster. chain 3, and in the next chain 3 space between the two clusters we are going to place only one cluster. So this is the stitch repeat for this round. So every chain 3 space between the two clusters will have one cluster. Then to go over to the next chain 3 space, we chain 3, go over to the next chain 3 space, make 3DC cluster, chain 3, 3DC cluster. So this is how we are going to work the entire round. Complete the round. I shall meet you where I began. We've come to the end of the round here. So alternatively we have placed cluster, chain 3 cluster in one chain 3 space and 3DC cluster in the other. So I've completed, and now instead of slip stitching chain 3 slip, chain 1 and make a half double crochet in the first cluster. Now in this you chain 3 and make 2 double crochets, or start with a standing double crochet. I'll make 2 of them and come back and complete the third one. Now 3 double crochets in the next. And this is a corner, so 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. Three double crochets in the next chain 3 space. Three double crochets in the next chain 3 space. Now we have come to the corner. Place 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. This is a stitch repeat on the sides and the corner. Oh my god. So continue this pattern all around. I shall also complete and get back to you. I've come to the end of the round here. Slip stitch to the first DC and fasten off. I'm going to do the invisible join. So cut the yarn, pull it through. So we did the first 2 DCs. From behind the second double crochet, insert the hook, pick up this yarn and pull through from front to back. And now this is the last DC we worked. Insert the hook behind the back loop, pick up the yarn and pull through from front to back. That's it. And now you can secure it and hide it behind the granny square. Here we go. We have the traditional cluster hexagon granny square. It's a traditional cluster hexagon. It's not an ordinary hexagon, it's a cluster hexagon. So hope you like this stitch, friends. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Bye for now. Have a great day, friends.